Hello viewers, into this tutorial today, the question said find the perimeter of the triangle below. So we have this triangle here, but when you look at this triangle, you can see that we have this line, in between the lines here. So it's telling us that all the sides are equal. So now when you have a triangle which all the sides are equal, so it's same thing as what equilateral triangle. So now from here, and they ask us to find what the perimeter. Definitely, we are going to add over this. When we add all the distances, the three sides together, so whatever we have becomes our perimeter. So therefore, so now since this is equilateral triangle, so what we are going to do is it shows that this side here, I get it now, that is 2y plus 2 is equals to what? Is equals to this side, that is 2x plus y. Okay, so now from here, what I'm going to do, so let's try to write this in a linear equation form. This is going to be 2y then minus 2x then minus y, so equals to, let me send this 2 to the other side. I have minus 2. So now from there, so 2y minus y, I'm going to be having y minus 2x then equals to minus 2. So let's see, this is equation 1. Are you following me now? So from there, so we can see that the same thing we said this to be this, so we can actually say what this 2y plus 2 is equals to the what, to this base, which is what, x plus 3. Are you getting it now? So now let's write this one the same thing. We have 2y, let's send x to this place. We have x equals to 3 then minus what, minus 2. Okay, so we are going to be having 2y minus x equals to 3 minus 2 is going to give us what? It's going to give us 1. So I have this what to be equation what, to be equation 2. I get it now. So I'm going to solve this equation 1 and equation 2, simultaneously, to see what we are going to have. Are you there? So from 1 here, I get it now. So we can see that if we make y the surrogate formula, so this is what we are going to have. We are going to be having 2x minus 2. So therefore, let's call this equation what? Equation 3. Okay. So now let's put this equation 3 into this equation 2. That is, wherever we see y, we replace it by 2x minus what? 2x minus 2. So we're going to be having 2 into bracket 2x minus 2 minus what? Minus x equals to what? Equals to 1. Okay, so now from there, what are we going to be having? You can see that we are going to be having what? We are going to be having 2 times this, we have 4x, 2 times this, we have minus what? Minus 4. I get it now, then minus x equals to what? Equals to 1. So now from here, 4x minus x, we are going to be having 3x, then equals to 1. Okay, if this minus 4 is to go there, we are going to be having plus 4. So we have 3x to be equals to 1 plus 4, that is 5. Therefore, we have x to be 5 over 3. So now from there, since x is 5 over 3, so which shows that from what? From this place, 3, I get it now. So we are going to be having y to be equals to, anywhere we see x, we now go to put, we are going to put a 5 over 3. So we're going to be having 2 into bracket 5 over 3. Okay, then minus what? Minus 2. So we have what? Y to be equals to 2 times this, we have 10 over 3 minus what? Minus 2. So let's write this like this. So now we have y to be equals to, we try to what? We try to take the LCM. 3 in 3, 1, we have 10 minus 1 in 3, we have 3, 3 times 2, we have what? We have 6. Therefore, we have 10 minus 6 to be what? 4 over what? 4 over 3. So therefore, we have what? We have y to be 4 over 3, and we have x to be this. So now we are now going to look at this place here. You can see that this side here is what? X plus 3. So therefore, we are going to be looking at the one of the side, that is x plus 3 equals to, what is our x? X is 5 over 3. Okay, then plus 3. So what do we have? You can see that we have 3, then 3 in 3, that is what? That is 1. 1 times this, we have 5. Plus 1 in 3, 3. 3 times 3, we have what? We have 9. So therefore, we are going to be having 5 plus 9 to be what? To be 14, then over 3. So we have x plus 3 to be what? So therefore, we have one of the sides to be what? To be 14 over 3. But don't forget that from the triangle, so the triangle says we should find the perimeter of what? Of the equilateral, because all the sides are equal. And we've already gotten one of the sides to be x plus 3, which is what? 14 over 3. Therefore, the perimeter is now going to be what? 3 times 14, no, over 3. So we can see that we are going to be having the perimeter to be what? Will be, consider 3, we cancel this 3 here, we have what? We have the perimeter to be 14. So, and that is the solution to the problem. So if you find the class very interesting, do not hesitate to follow our Facebook page for more exciting videos. Bye.